Good morning, my dear students. Welcome you all to this session. Today's class, we are going to start one new concept. Yes, but actually we have discussed about this chapter during our refreshing classes. But again, I'm going to teach you what are those definitions and we are going to deal with our example problem. You can take page number 147 in your NCERT textbook. Okay, children? I hope you all have taken page number 147, children. What is the concept given? Like fractions. Yes, we have learned what is meant by a fraction and what are the types of fractions like proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction, right? And next one type of fraction is like fractions and unlike fractions. Okay, so first we'll deal with our like fractions. Okay, so what is meant by a like fraction? Fractions with same denominators. You can underline that sentence. Okay, fractions with same denominator. So we will take few fractions. Okay, 1 by 4, 7 by 4, 10 by 4, 18 by 4. Okay, so all these four fractions are like fractions. Why? Because all the fractions having 4 as your denominators, which means all the 4 fractions has same denominators. Here also 4, here also 4, here also 4 and here also 4. So if the fractions having same denominators, we'll say that fraction as like fractions. So what is meant by unlike fractions? With different denominator. Okay, just opposite of this like fraction. Unlike fraction means it will be having a different denominators. Okay, so I'll give you example 3 by 4, 1 by 2, 7 by 8. In this, all the three are having different denominators. What is the first denominator here? 4. Next is 2. Next is 8. So all the three are having different denominators. So these three fractions are called unlike fractions. Okay. Now did you understand what is meant by like fractions and unlike fractions? Okay. Next, we are going to start the next concept in the next page. Comparing fractions. Okay, we are going to compare the fractions. Actually, this comparison can be done only when the fractions are like fractions. Okay, when the fractions are like fractions, we can compare the numerators. Okay, for example, 3 by 7, 4 by 7. Okay, we can easily compare this 3 by 7 and 4 by 7 and we can say which is greater or which is smaller or whether both are equal. Why? Because our both the denominators are same. So this 3 by 7 and 4 by 7 are like fractions. I told you we can compare the fraction only when it is like fractions. So if it is a like fraction, you just compare only the numerators. So you can just compare only the numerators and you can say which is greater, which is smaller. So in this, when you are comparing the numerator 3 and 4, which is greater? 4. So obviously 4 by 7 is greater than 3 by 7. Because 3 by 7 and 4 by 7 are like fractions, right? So in like fractions, what I told you, we can compare only the numerators. So in numerator 3 and 4, 4 is greater. So we can say the fraction 4 by 7 is greater than 3 by 7. Okay, so this is how you can compare the like fractions. Okay, next I'll teach about comparing unlike fractions. Okay, unlike fractions now, I told unlike means what? the denominators will be different, right? Okay. Now we have to compare 2 by 7 and 3 by 2. Whether these two fractions are like fractions, children? No, of course it is no. Why? Because the denominator here is 7 and here is 2. So both fractions are unlike fractions. The comparing is possible only when the fractions are like fractions. But these two are unlike fractions. So what you will do, children? You can make it as like fractions. How you will make it as like fractions, children? Like fractions, how you will make it as? You will make both the denominators same. Okay. So there are many methods to make both the denominators same. But we'll use the LCM method. Okay. We'll just use the LCM of 7, 2. Why I am doing the LCM means in order to make both the fractions as like fractions, because these are unlike, so I am going to convert this unlike fractions to like fractions by making it LCM. So 7 to LCM. So 7 ones are 7, then 2 down because it does not comes in 7th table, then 2 table 1, 1. So 7 twos are 14. Yeah, so we got the LCM value as 14. So I have to make first fraction 2 by 7 as denominator 14. First I have to convert this 2 by 7 as denominator 14. Okay, 7 twos are 14 you will get. So if I do it in the denominator, the same I should do it in the numerator. So 2 twos are 4. So what is the LCM you are getting? What is the fraction you are getting? 2 by 7 has become 4 by 14. Next, 3 by 2, I have to convert it into denominator 14 because the LCM value is 14. Okay, listen children. See, what is the thing is, I am going to convert this unlike to like fractions. Like fractions should contain same denominator. So what is our denominator should be? Our denominator should be the LCM value of both the denominators. So LCM value of 7, 2 is 14. So 14 should be our denominator. So 2 should make 14. Okay, appo what you will do? 2 sevens are 14. So automatically you should do in the numerator also. 3 sevens are 21. So 3 by 2 has become 21 by 14. So now instead of 2 by 7 what you will write? 4 by 14. Compare 3 by 2, what will become? 21 by 14. Okay, 2 by 7 has become 4 by 14. 3 by 2 has become 21 by 14. Now whether they are in like fractions? Yes, because both the denominators are same. Yeah, so both the denominators are same. If both are same, what you will do? You will compare only the numerator. So in this, which is greater? 21 by 14. 21 is greater. So the fraction 21 by 14 is greater than 4 by 14. So you should not stop till this. You should write here. Therefore, 2 by 7 is less than 3 by 2. Okay, instead of 3 by 2 only, we have written 21 by 14. Instead of 2 by 7 only, I wrote 4 by 14. So after converting like this, again you should convert as if like a question. Then you should write like this. Okay, so we cannot directly say that when unlike fractions are there, we cannot directly compare it. So what you should do, you should convert this unlike fraction to like fractions by using LCM. Then you should compare the numerators. Then you should write the final answer. So this is how you will compare the fractions. Understood, children? Next you can take page number 150, children. In that you are having one bolded letters. Have you find that? Yes, now I am going to teach that concept. Okay, so till now what I told you, when the denominators are same, which means when both are like fractions, you can compare the numerator and say which is greater, right? So but here when they are saying when when numerators are same. Okay, they are saying when numerators are same, the fraction with smaller denominator is greater than the 2. Okay, so listen. So when the numerators are same, when there are two same numerator, you can compare the denominator and you can say smaller denominator. Okay, smaller denominator will be greater. So obviously 3 by 5 will be greater than 3 by 7. So this is what your concept. So you can see many increasing order, decreasing order below that. You can once again you can go through that concept, so you'll get more clear idea about it. Okay, children. And next you can take page number 151, children. In that you have an example number 6. Okay, so what is the question given? Just compare 4 by 5 and 5 by 6. They are asking to compare 4 by 5 and 5 by 6. Okay, so what you have to, if they ask you like this, once you can write like this. Okay, so 4 by 5 comparing 5 by 6, like box you can write, so it will be more convenient for you to proceed it. Okay, so first, what is our condition for comparison? It should be a like fractions, right? Both the fractions should have a same denominator. Whether we have same denominator here? No. So what you should do? You should make it as same. How you will make it as same? You will make them same by using the LCM. Yes, LCM of 5 comma 6. LCM of 5 comma 6 you should find it. Okay, first 5 comma 6 I'll write it, children. In the fifth table I'll go first. 5 ones are 5. 6 does not comes in fifth table, so I'm writing 6 as such. Next, in third table, 1 down as such. 3 twos are 6. Then again in 2 table, 2 ones are 2. That's all. So 5 into 3 into 2. 5 threes are 15. 15 twos are 30. So what is the LCM value, children? 30. Okay. So what our denominator should be? Instead of this 5 and instead of this 6, it should be 30. Okay. So first we should convert this 4 by 5 fraction as denominator 30. I should convert this fraction to some fraction. I have to convert this fraction to some other fraction with denominator 30. Okay. So 5 I should convert it to 30. So what you will do? 5 6 are 30. If I am doing it into 6 here, the same thing. Into 6. 6 4s are 24. Yeah. 6 4s are 24. Next. Now I have converted this 4 by 5 fraction to 24 by 30. So I have got this denominator as 30. So satisfied. Next, 5 by 6. I want to make it as denominator 30. So what you will do? 6 5s are 30. So 5 5s are 25. So this fraction 5 by 6 has converted to 25 by 30. So both the fractions I have changed. So instead of 4 by 5, what you will write, children? 24 by 30. Then instead of 5 by 6, what you will write? You will write 25 by 30. Now check both the fractions are like fractions. Yes, of course, both are like fractions. So if it is a like fraction, you can compare only the numerators. Okay, so in this, which is greater? 25 is greater. So obviously 25 by 30 is greater than 24 by 30. So can we write the conclusion? 4 by 5 is less than 5 by 6, because since this fraction is greater, 5 by 6 will be greater than 4 by 5. Understood? So how did you understand how to compare the fractions? So first we should convert that into like fractions, then you should proceed it. Okay. Next, example number 7. Okay, what is the question? Compare 5 by 6 and 13 by 15. So first I told you should write like this: 5 by 6 box 13 by 15. Yes? Yeah. So now what you have to do, we have to check whether they are like fractions, right? Whether they are like fractions or not. We have to check like that. So first after checking, we could find that both the denominators are different. So what you should do, you should make it as same. How you will make it as same, children? By using the LCM. So LCM of 6, 15, I should find it. Only then we can make both as same denominator. Yes? This you know, right? So first I am doing the LCM of 6, 15. Now we can do with third table, because 6 and 15 both comes in third table. 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. Then in 2 table, 2 1s are 2, 5 does not come, so putting down as such. Next, in fifth table, 1 down as such, 5 1s are 5. So now 3 into 2 into 5. 3 2s are 6, 6 5s are 30. Okay. So what is our LCM, children? 30. So what our denominator should be there? Our denominator should be 30. So this is what your condition. Now I am going to convert this 5 by 6 as denominator 30. Okay. Next. So if I want to convert the 6 to 30, what I will do? 6 5s are 30. So 5 5s are 25. Is it correct? 6 5s are 30. So 5 5s are 25. 13 by 15. I want to convert it to 30 as denominator. So I want to convert this 15 to 13. 15 2s are 30, right? So 13 2s are 26. So now I have converted this 5 by 6 to 25 by 30. Then 13 by 15 as 26 by 30. Yes? Now instead of 5 by 6, what you will write? I will write it as 25 by 30. Instead of 13 by 5, what I will write? 26 by 30. Now check whether both are like fractions. Yes, of course they are like fraction, because both have same denominator. So what you will compare? You will just compare only their numerators. So what is the greater numerator? 26. So obviously 26 by 30 is greater than 25 by 30. So what will be our conclusion? 5 by 6 will be less than 13 by 15. So which is a greater fraction? 13 by 15 is a greater fraction than 5 by 6. So this is how you should conclude like this, okay? You should not stop till this. You should conclude like this. This is very much important. Okay, children? See, for this example number 6, what I have done, 5 6 are 30. You can write like this. Like this also you can write it, because both are like co-prime numbers, so we don't have any common factors for this, so we can multiply directly. 5 6 are 30, or you can write the LCM, because better you can use the LCM, because sometimes if you make multiplication, you will make some mistakes. Okay, see here, 6 into 15 is actually 90. Okay, but LCM value which you are getting is 30, which is very easy for us to do. Okay, but when you do 90 means the number is very large. Okay, number is very large, so you should find the, for example 30 means 6 5s are, easily you can find it. But when it is 90 means you should find 6 into 15, 5 into 15. So the multiplication process will be very high. That is why we are not directly multiplying. Instead we are doing the LCM, so easily we can do it. Okay, that is why the LCM of the denominators of fraction is preferred. Okay, LCM is more preferable. For this question, we can 6 5s are 30, we can do it. So it will be easier for this particular question. But for that question also, I have done LCM, because if you practice through LCM, it will be more convenient. Okay, see, for this question, instead of doing LCM, if you multiply this multiplication process, here the multiplication process what you are doing will be more difficult and you will be sufferer, because if you make mistakes in 5 into 15, if you make anything wrong, then entirely these things will be wrong. So better you can use the LCM process. So that is what given there. Why LCM? One question mark it is given there, no children. Before that exercise 7.1 you have one small paragraph written, so that is what given. Okay, so you can read that and you will understand it. Okay children, today's class we have discussed about how to compare the like fractions and unlike fractions. So what are the methods to be used while doing comparison, and we have discussed 2 example problems from those concepts. I hope you all understood children. Thank you.